Hey, it's Curtis back with another TurboCube video. This video I'm showing you right now is non-TurboCube. It's pretty much the entire reason. You can see it's struggling pretty bad right there. I wanted to have a cool update video for you with some turbo stuff, but unfortunately I've been just doing a bunch of maintenance. So I had to change an oil pan. To do that, the transmission had to come off, so I thought I'd take a quick video and show how to install torque converter bolts. I know it's a little dry and not as cool as turbo parts, but you know, necessary evil. So hope you enjoy. Thanks.
Hi, back under the van. Not sure how many people have gotten to see this before, but this is how the torque converter bolts to the flex plate. So this is bolted to the engine. There, 6 bolts. This you slide into the transmission. First, it clunks in, you turn it, goes in more, turn it, goes in more, turn it, goes in more. And then there's these 6 bolts that hold the torque converter to the flex plate. And I've installed 3, and as you can see, the other 3 are up there, and you can't install them because transmission bell housing's in the way. So what you do, you find out which way your motor turns, and then you take something like this, and I do it this way because that way I don't have to move and go out to the front. But you just work your way around. You can see there's the standoff for the next bolt. So you want to put all 6 of them in snug and then tighten them all. So it's kind of a pain. You got to turn your motor around twice, but that's how you do it.
Well, I promise you guys, if you sat through this boring video of installing bolts, the next one will be much more worth it. I'm going to start installing turbo parts, so stay tuned next time.